This is part 2 of test dropping some old bath bombs that I found in a bag in my room. I think we have 3 bags left in here. This first one is a peace sign bath bomb that I believe I dropped in an April collection. Definitely not from this past year, so this one is probably over a year old. Next we have this F bomb, and I think this actually just left our website. This was part of last month's collection. So this one is new. I just never got to use it before Halloween came out. And then unfortunately, the third thing that we have in here is not a bath bomb. This is a bubble bar, so I'm just gonna hold on to it for now. Because it's the oldest, I'm gonna start off with the peace sign. Also, this bubble bar is definitely from Valentine's Day, so that's like February, January. So I guess that's the oldest thing in this bag. Couldn't see what everything was, but I knew that everything was circular, so I thought we had like this cool theme going. But I didn't think that one of them would be a bubble bar. I completely forgot about these. I haven't had these on the website since February. Okay, starting off with this peace sign bath bomb, I know that this came out in April for like our Peace, Love, and Bubbles collection. And because the bath bomb is a fairly light color, I knew that there would be something inside. I never just do pastel bath bombs. And for this case, I think I just went with like a darker purple insert, so we actually get colorful bath water. This bath bomb was annoying me though because it would not float for some reason. Eventually, I just gave up and let it go, so it's dissolving on the bottom of the tub, but the color still looks fun. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and we're gonna move on to the next bath bomb, which is the F bomb. This is kind of random, but orange and purple are like one of my favorite color combinations. I think it's because it reminds me so much of traditional Halloween. I'm just gonna let them go in at the same time, and now the peace sign wants to come back up, but it's already pretty much dissolved. We're just gonna forget about it. And here is the F bomb. I'm not a big fan of orange bath bombs, but this one is actually really pretty. I think because of how orange it is, it's really neon. And then also I know that there's different colors inside because this one I just made. So the bath water doesn't end up being orange. This is what the bath bombs look like side by side. In the past when I've used this bath bomb mold, I've always done different color patterns. And this year when I switched it to orange, it actually became a pretty popular bath bomb. So I know that you guys really liked it too. And for the colors inside, I went with green, pink, and orange. So it's definitely very fun, but it's also very summer-like, which I guess according to the weather, it's not fall, it's summer. I think I like the first round of old bath bomb drops more than this one. Don't get me wrong, this one is still really fun. We do use this insert again for our Sally bath bomb, which is a part of our Halloween collection if you guys do like this bath bomb, and sadly you can't get it anymore. I also forgot to mention it, but the peace sign had like this very floral scent to it, like lilac. The rest of this one has like a very citrusy bright scent. So they do pair really well together, but it's very summery. And I think I'm done letting them dissolve. I'm just gonna go ahead and see where we're at with this bath bomb so I can at least get one crush in because I couldn't crush the peace sign. There's still a little bit of insert inside of here, but it's okay. I am so glad that I came across this bag of bath bombs because this was so fun, and then also they didn't get to go to waste. It was kind of like a trip down memory lane of some previous collections that we had that I completely forgot about. People always expect me to remember everything, but you guys, I make like 10 to 12 different bath bombs every single month. And sometimes I have the same mold, but I change up the colors, I change up the fragrances, so I definitely don't remember everything. This is what the water looks like in the end, and even though I liked the first bath bomb drop more, I love the color of this one. It actually came out to be like this really pretty red. And all I'm left with is this bubble bar, but I don't think I'm gonna drop it for now. Let me know if you guys want a separate video for that. What do you guys think?